What's cranking, anglers? Today we'll be checking out the Castcray Lures Pro 500 series fishing reel. Now this is a tiny little sleek fishing reel. It retails for $29.99, which is a great price. It's aluminum and plastic construction, but let's take a real close-up look at this. It's a nice little box that it comes in. This does have a lifetime warranty on it, which right off the bat with that, 30 bucks with a lifetime warranty, that's great. This has a 3-1 bearing, 3-to-1 bearing ratio. I like this. I like the action so far. It's a 5-to-1 gear ratio. The line it holds, it will hold 4-pound line. It'll hold 160 yards, 6-pound test, 120, 8-pound, 70. This is a great little reel for your panfish, your crappie, trout, something on the smaller side. I think this will make a great reel. It's like I said, it's aluminum plastic construction, an aluminum spool, a superior drag system. It's lightweight. It is interchangeable from right to left side. It has the little reverse brake on the front right there. That's nice to have. Very smooth action, durable finish. So far, just looking at it, it looks like a nice little reel. This is the blue and silver one. I like the color construction on it. Let's see if I can show you that up close. But one way to really test, let's head out to the pond and fish this thing for a little bit. Alright guys, we're gonna fish this. I have the Castcray Lures Pro reel hooked up on the Castcray Lures Pro crappie rod. I have it rigged with a chartreuse underspin with a twin tail and baby shad from Castcray as well. See how she does on the first cast. Now in this pond there isn't any crappie. There's largemouth bass and there's bluegill. Hopefully we catch something, but if not, we're just trying to get a feel of this reel and see how well it works. First cast. Not bad. Happy with it so far. Ooh, just got bit. Not bad, not bad. Super lightweight, super lightweight. Fish on? Oh yeah. What do we got? There we go. Nice little bluegill. Can't make that up. Castcray all day. Castcray leading the way. Castcray baits, rod, reel. Fantastic. I'm happy with it so far. It's a nice little light reel. Easy to use. Well, that went pretty well. We're gonna give this a few more casts. So far, I'm extremely happy with it. Great action, great handling, love the retrieve on it. All in all, it's a good reel. Fish on again. Tighten my drag down a little bit. There you go. Another bluegill. Awesome. Super happy with this. Fish on. There you go, third one. This reel is awesome. I love it. If you're interested in picking yourself up one, make sure you head on over to Castcray.com. I'll have a link down in the description. It'll take you right to the website. And if you use code TAGGEDOUT10, it'll save you 10% off your whole entire order. But as you can see, this reel's great, that rod's great, the baits are great. So make sure you head on over and check them out. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.